Best foods for cleaning arteries. Arteries are blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different tissues throughout the body. Each artery is a muscular tube consisting of 3 layers. The intima, the inner layer. The media, a layer of muscle that handles the high pressure from the heart. The appendicia, the connective tissue that links arteries to nearby tissues. The largest artery is the aorta. It has a network of smaller arteries, known as arterioles and capillaries, which extend throughout the body. Healthy arteries have smooth inner walls and blood flows through them easily. However, when plaque builds up on the inner walls, the arteries become clogged and inhibit blood flow. Plaque is made of different substances that circulate in the blood like fat, cholesterol, calcium, cellular waste, and fibrin. 1. Garlic. One easy way to cleanse your arteries naturally is to include garlic in your diet. According to a study done at the Center for Cardiovascular Pharmacology in Mainz, Germany, researchers found that regular intake of garlic may help prevent hardening of the aorta. It improves the health of your arteries by reducing the level of LDL cholesterol. The study also concluded that garlic benefits cardiovascular health as people get older. Eat 1 to 4 cloves of raw garlic each day. You can also include garlic in soups, stews, casseroles, and salad dressings. You can even try a garlic supplement if you do not like the taste of garlic. Always consult your doctor for advice regarding dietary supplements. 2. Pomegranate. This exotic fruit also helps cleanse your arteries. According to a 2005 study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, scientists believe that the high antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and polyphenols in pomegranate, stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which in turn helps keep blood flowing and arteries open. This fruit can even reduce existing plaque formations in the arteries. You can drink freshly extracted pomegranate juice or make fruit salads and smoothies to include pomegranates in your diet. As pomegranate juice may not be suitable when taken with certain medications, it is best to consult your doctor about drinking this juice to clean your arteries. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a heart-healthy fish and can play a key role in keeping your arteries free from plaque buildup. It is rich in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, that help increase HDL cholesterol levels, reduce triglyceride levels, and decrease inflammation of the blood vessels and formation of blood clots in the arteries. These fatty acids can even lower blood pressure. The American Heart Association recommends eating 2 to 3 servings of salmon each week. 1 serving of salmon equals 2 to 3 ounces. Opt for baked and grilled salmon dishes for overall cardiovascular health. 4. Turmeric. The spice turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help keep arteries free from any kind of blockage. It contains curcumin, which lowers inflammation, a major cause behind hardening of the arteries. According to a 2009 study by French researchers, curcumin may help reduce fatty deposits in arteries by almost 26%. It has vitamin B6 that is important in maintaining optimal homocysteine levels, which in excess causes plaque buildup and blood vessel damage. Moreover, turmeric helps reduce cholesterol oxidation and LDL levels. To keep your arteries functioning properly, drink a glass of warm turmeric milk daily. Also, include this spice in your cooking.